Here we have a 1973 Yamaha RD350. Only 601 original miles on the bike, so everything should work good. We just put in the battery out of the DRZ over there just to check the lights, see if everything works. And let's go. First we'll do the left turn signal. Front and rear are working. If you listen close, you can hear the solenoid kick over. Now for the right turn signal. Just going to go ahead and activate the brake light now. And last but not least, go ahead and try the horn. There you go. It's a good baseline to start. I'd put some gas on the carbs and see if this thing fires up. Stay tuned.